J-hook assembly. Take off the end cap from the backrest tube. Take off the horizontal push bar. We need to detach the connection here. Gently detach the connection. Detach these two screws connecting the upholstery and the backrest frame. Detach this bolt. Use a 4mm Allen key and a 10mm socket wrench. Use the socket wrench to fixate the nut inside this tube when unscrewing the bolt. When holding the J-hook, we can see that the one with the bolt on the right is the one we want to assemble on the right side of the backrest frame. The one with the bolt on the left is the left one. Insert the J-hook inside the backrest frame and fixate it by this hole. When reconnecting the bushing, it is easier to use your fingertip to hold the nut inside the bushing first, like so. When connecting the bolt to the nut, you can first unscrew it a little so that the bolt can be pushed into the nut easier. Use the socket wrench to fixate the connection completely. Attach back the horizontal push bar. Remember to put back the two washers. Finally, reattach the backrest upholstery. Double check if the right hook can be swung away only to the right. If the hooks can rotate inwards, then it will create collision. Hold the hook up here to pull it up and rotate. Rotate it until hearing a click sound.